Microsoft Power BI, the BI tool of choice for modern enterprises. Reduce BI expenses with Power BI's flexible, cost-effective licensing, saving significantly compared to other tools. Work effortlessly across Excel, Teams, Azure, and more. Unify your data, apply AI, and automate actions, all within a connected, intelligent Microsoft ecosystem. Business users can ask questions, build reports, and predict outcomes instantly with AI-powered features like natural language QA, Copilot, and forecasting. If you're looking to migrate reports from BI tools like Tableau to Power BI, CloudMoyo can help with CloudMoyo Migration Assistant. Here's what we will deliver. CloudMoyo Migration Assistant is a generative AI-based solution designed to accelerate report migration. We can help teams seeking quick migration, teams seeking clean and centralized data for better insights, teams seeking scalability and high-performance BI. Our solution gives you the edge you're looking for in terms of faster time to value, cost efficiency, operational simplicity, and accuracy through reduction in number of reports with generative AI-led identification of outdated, duplicate, and mergeable reports. Accelerated migration with AI-driven mapping of Tableau elements to Power BI, ensuring migration confidence with a post-migration scorecard that highlights accuracy and completeness. Modernizing analysis, unifying data and analytics through Microsoft Fabric. Modernizing your data foundation by consolidating sources into Microsoft Fabric for scalable, future-ready analytics, enabling consistent, trusted reporting through a centralized business layer, semantic model, in Microsoft Fabric. If you'd like to get in touch, reach out to us at marketing@cloudmoyo.com or log on to our website www.cloudmoyo.com.